nilhapha amasan Istv Kuki program ane ho jo se nabon chawin nilhapha ka hin pin hi chu ke lon chun e ho Kuki cha te in festival ke pagol nop le adinga ke pagol nop le pena eni nei chawa kur nei wangwin hi chita pang ma chun naga community naga azong hi ti chun Barak festival kiti achi sa December tarik somleli date 14 na anake mangin hi chima bangchun helai achun nunga dong hoi kelhanna anu umin hi cha lol hin na nei mi thum hot hin ki holim in tiu hin hilla wangsi ta in second runner sub nu nunga wa hoi chong ho kip hi exam anai ji chun ahung thei ta puin hi ji chun a winner nu to first runner sub nu hi ki holim pi nei nei diu hin tin tu ni ni khwa hi ken tok su ani danga kana bola hi ei paw ngan kan man hin tu na hi isu pinu miss la nu hi piti ke sai ham mai lei paw to sa pawa communication hi kan hal di hin tin sa paw jong he ga sai ding in yaw lai ke tho tu hin tu hin communication ti de ham sa paw i tho lo ka li kum som ni lang hong wal ta nei le i le jong ke pe lo mai thei grammatical construction long hung di lo mai thei hin tin ama sa pen in public chuting le Istv hian lang YouTube viewers hoi jong le no kom lo sa ngai dam khain thu min ipi na hi le khongai sot ta lawin helai muna hin studio a hin tu chung Barak lol hin nei nei nunga te ni hilim na anane utin basa penin chlaya Istv Kuki Talkshow dinga NENGHOICHONG ne hin ELOZIIA hin na phat man tam ta na hin kai lut hana na hin kai do na la ke holim the ayum ji win studio a hin Kuki program thalengin ama sa penin lim na kai nei. First of all, ELOZIIA, what I wanna say is that sparing your time just we to have conversation in this Kuki program. I just wanna welcome you on behalf of Kuki staff.
Thank you so much.
So just before we begin our talk, so what I want to know is that you need your self introduction.
Okay.
Okay, carry on.
Well, my name is ELOZIIA CHRISTINA. I belong to my community, and I finished my graduation from DM College of Science. Right now, I'm doing coaching from Proactive Center. That is GFC, General Foundation course, and currently I'm staying at Kaishampat. That's all.
Thank you so much. Aban le tu NENGHOICHONG nang ma ke phone don hen neu ba.
Amasan phat hoi muthai koi pa pathen ka thang wa in chilaya Istv te ahingon kin ingon pi wa e suain ko ho jose chunga jong ke pathu ka sein ke ma NENGHOICHONG HAOKIP ka hin kanu chu nengnei ling HAOKIP kapa kampu HAOKIP tu a hi Langol Spring Villa phai pizanga ka hi ke pe
Tu la tu hi pi na bolam
tu le tu a hi college ka kai DM ho
ke pa men. Then coming to ELOZIIA, right now you are having you are taking coaching.
Yeah.
So coaching for what purpose? For competitive exam or something?
Yeah, I'm preparing for a competitive exam. Like I want to join some defense. Yeah.
So you have been crowned Miss Barak, and do you think that something like what to say? Beauty pageant is related with all those types of coaching or irrelevant or something according to your point of view?
Well, I feel that this defense and beauty pageants, there's not so much of difference between that, because we know that this defense, it has also given us so much of opportunities for women at this time, and this beauty pageant, it has given us an opportunity for girls to say their own opinion and to show their hidden talents. So I feel that there's not so much difference between this. Maybe like the outer looks like makeups and all, it may be different, but I feel that the inner beauty which you carry in through the defense and which you carry through this beauty pageant, there's not much difference between that.
Thank you so much. Coming to NENGHOICHONG, ahile nang hi chawang kut achi sa kum khat kum ni ma sanga jong hin chawang kut na hin miss kut na hi in winner khat na hin na ale hin ipina ngai tu le hi chi miss kut long anala ta chu Barak ahi miss contest na gazaw ham chu nang man na tup le na doi khat na lungyal khat din na aji chu ipiam
miss kut bang chu ka sei dinga chuna inam azong hiana kithanom cha chu inam la ila chu min jong anam hi za chu he ga ti amin ya side feeling ni za yong ele pi ham na chu ha chu la he jong ati jong hin tin chi da chu iti sai de ham midang la azong na ka performance ichana ka chi bunam ti ho chu ka vet nom like where I can get in life na chi da chu ka ka za we ti di chu
ai le tu chunga Barak contest hi itabang nagyal sanga thupi mo am ai lo le itabang dola na ke man cha bam
it's very fear enough, like fooding, lodging, everything to make up na upon like you don't have to bring your own makeup artist, like they're gonna provide you na associate to kisu chet na then to expenditures on tamlut low, but then like they give you like the best thing and like all you have to do is present yourself and do your best. Za cho aki hit na cho dang hoyong cho phana cho ahi banga cho amo cho ka za cho ma ki hit na cho hi ta ka yala na
see ELOZIIA what that NENGHOICHONG she said, the uniqueness of Barak festival is that we don't bring any makeup artist or something. So what you need to do is your presentation, you do your best. So according to you, what is the uniqueness of other festival and that Barak festival?
Well, there's so much festival. There's so much festival coming up in this Manipur this time. There are Orange Festival, Good Festival, Barak Festival. So I haven't been to Orange Festival and Good Festival, but I feel that this Barak, this is the first state level festival. So like I feel that this is a great opportunity for all the people in Manipur, not only the Senapati people, but also for all the people. So, and I feel that this Good Festival and Orange Festival, it has also the same opportunities given. I feel that way.
Thank you so much. Ahile NENGHOICHONG tu chung Barak Festival ahin rana sap nan chiku tai na. Ailehin chawang kut hi nanala chai sa hi tai rana sap nan hi tan na. Phungla changa ga sei na jong hi puntin tu kum chawang kut na chung Chandil district a jong HAOKIP hanana la controversy tam ta na chin na. State level a HAOKIP hanana la ki controversy tam ta na chin na. Ale cha hin judge ho alo la jury ho hi HAOKIP a hi ji a hina miss kut ni api o he kitin. Ale Barak a chun Naga festival a hitai na jilang rong ho lang ga festival kititan te a hitan alehin hi chahi jat songla HAOKIP ti ta lo ku ki chapa cha nu khat cha pang lo hin na ale ipitilam dola chi hi HAOKIP mini ta lallu khu nan chi hu them chi HAOKIP ango naw hi ipiji pen hin tam tia nang malung gel dana na ne
ga saying HAOKIP phungla dinga ai mila azong mi tampen hin na ahoy athim aching jong hi HAOKIP atam zo ka ki sele ahung umin na chiza hi itam na dung zui che o hi ahoy jong athim jong itam ole iti sei de ham phung dang ho hin hung ki lungneu jiwana cha he e ho hi ichanu le hin e ho le ho ki bol to da no agial hi wanga chu ga he dinga chu Chandela chu henge iken wang asung ima cha ke poina ala ho jong chu chuti hitan chu Barak a chu ga sei dinga chu Amy ti ding koi ma cha jong lo chu na Amy him jong I guess jong om poi na I son di hong le ipi koi ma cha lo ai wanga cha chu ila thei ti chu le chen I HAOKIP hi za ila hi lo chu ai ma ke hi za I'm presenting myself na ke le ke ki present na I'm doing my best and cha chu kamu thei chu kamu ya cha chu I don't think like HAOKIP lo za ki mu hi pon te ki
ke pawmen public in he due to Facebook hi han nang ipi hi jong le HAOKIP a hi lo le kip gen chong loi ta phung isu ho hi tu kal ibo ta lo tu isu ta lo de dei sa hin aji tu hi Barak festival a hi koi ma cha Kuki HAOKIP jong ti daw tin Kuki chanu cha pa jong NENGHOICHONG se tan guest sang a jong zaw lo hin la HAOKIP min in ala mana chu eng sit thang sit ibo ta lo diu a hi lo le thungai mo ai lo le mi khat za da thei mi bilkul a thol loading thu ho hi tu kal isai ta lo divin dei sa ong chu clarification khat ipi now hin tin coming to ELOZIIA see you have been crowned Miss Barak for this time. So regarding beauty pageant, is this your first time or how many times you have been participated in regarding this beauty pageant?
Well, first time it was in DM College. There was a freshers meet, and then the organizer, they have organized beauty pageants, Miss Dana Manjuri. So I participated there. It was my first and my first experience. I got lots of experience from there, and from there I was crowned second runners up, Miss Danajaman jury second runners up, and then later I went to Miss Manipur Queen. FBB Miss Femina Queen. I went there and we did some grooming out there, but I was left out from there. So like this is my third Miss Barak.
So regarding your preparation, what we want to know from public is that in order to be a beauty pageant contestant in this Miss Barak, how far you have been prepared before?
Well, first time when I get the information about this Miss Barak, I got it from Shanghai Express. I got it there, and firstly I never thought that I would be there. So one of my friends, she was asking me if I would like to join, and then I said let's try. So I went there, and then through my journey I got lots of experience, and what preparation I made was actually they've given us all the makeup and all, so I didn't prepare anything for makeup. Then gown, we don't prepare much, but the dresses I did it for myself. The cultural dresses and the casual dresses I did for myself. And like in this beauty pageant, we have to be physically as well as mentally prepared. So I did some Googling as well as YouTube. I searched some YouTubes, and then I got help from many of my friends as well.
So how do you want to express your happiness to some of your colleague or your friend now who have physically supported you for this Miss Barak?
Well, firstly I want to thank God for giving me such a beautiful friends, and I wanted to thank to all my friends who have supported me physically and mentally as well. I may not be able to give them so much of things, but I want to thank them, and I pray for them that they will have a beautiful future as well.
Thank you so much. NENGHOICHONG nan dong kit le festival kiti hi Barak zong to state level festival hita na chawang kut zong festival khat hi in mihim chu ichi ne yo sa hi akiba lo na alo le I hon chawang ku na in boarding wa dei sa khat zong omen na Barak festival a Miss khat na ga zaw na chu experience tam ta nan nei ding hin state level a chawang kut iman no ho wa hin na apply thei thil akidang ai lo le amho bol do ho na I hon ki apply le hoi che dinga na gel na ran thilo ma le in sai pi ba
Kegel da na wangina eho chawang kut bol jong phana chu ai wanga chu aphalo pen hi zana zu kham hona chi amho langa hi chi zu khami umlo lo pi ai wanga zu kham hoi ki tup che na na mi a hi be ma ama ki kham be ma na chingta tingle ti sei de ham backstage ami lut vale le bol sa ho ta bang na hong ki chai ta le ho aku na ho mi zau se backstage a hung lu jing to a crown nu ham ai lo le like runners up ham crown nu ham le title mu ham photo ki la piding chu mi chu umna be ta phana chu hung chu pha ba ewa chu like it's very exhausting so ta ga ding du zau ting ne chun like the whole another 2 hours ta bang kha chu mo lim ki la piding a ki diu zu kham hung ding ipiti ding mi hung ki na ki ding chu am ho langa ka se ding a chu chu umlo ki ho chu a ki chai ya chu kabonu wa hi ka umu backstage ana chi kot akamu dang koi ma chalu lo aum ngai ho ka umu na chi zowa chu aki chai pha na chu lim ki la pi ding ti dan chu lim ki la pi the professional photographer so ta lim ki la ding chu na hoi tai ko do ki de wa lim ki la ki de wa na chi chu ka se ding a ki hil theina ta khati de ham ke he chi chu hin
ke pa mom nga ji chu mi aki chi zo se hi lesson khat hin na ke mo chi chi hi pon chawang kut imang chi win I ho manipurang chawang kut imang win na ale Nagaland ten jong state level a mim kut ati win kut mama hin na ama kan zil do thai kha chu tu kum mim kut a ka cha chu ipem tile I ho chawang kut na ko na hi zil do thai khat ka nei chu pem tile amo hin dignitary so hi chief guest ham guest of honor ham khat di thil api di tingun la khun adang a bol pu we na I ho sai pi khu mo ham khat to khun aban ting le hin pot sa tabanga sawin na cha chun amoi mim kut ati ji chun mai ho bal ho na ai lo le ga sai ding in thing lang an che ho khu ta basket khat api win na chu va na le he che ta bang hi ho chawang kut a jong ke apply thele ti hin ke man ka lungel na ka dai sa dan chu ji chu kut hi ji chun henge memen to pi hong cha hoi moi ka ti pui na jong ipi the la chung chun la chung chawang kut hi ji chun ho run kut a ki tin ho dinga ga sai dinga chun na harvest post harvest festival hi ji chun na so to mo ki bol thele ti dai sa om ja chu e man non sai hin tin state level kut committee ho lung set ta in ka cha ho now hi ke holun na mai hin ke hon kalunggel ka ngai dano ka dei dano ka sei tu hin no ho bol so aphamoi ti na jong a hidi pon a hoi thotun hi jong le ei ma dei dan ke sei tu ni gel pi ni de hel pi hi win na ale ELOZIIA this is just a conversation only not an interview or for getting marked this and that, okay? That's some sort of conversation only. So what I want to know is that you have paid your hard labor to win this Miss Barak.
Yeah.
So after announcing top 10 finalists, what was your question? Top 10 is a common question or a single question?
No, it was a single question.
Okay. What was that question and how do you answer it?
Well, they asked me what you would like to do for the Barak River after you have crowned Miss Barak. Well, this Barak River, it cannot be improved by one person. So I told them like whether big or small, let us do together to conserve the Barak as well.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And next, NENGHOICHONG nang chun ipi question na do wa top 10 na chu ipiti na don bu na.
Okay, the question to what would you do if you were given an opportunity to spread an awareness to the world? The idol na. That's can kadon bu na chu I will spread the awareness about HIV because this illness causes a lot of trouble and it should be warned among the teenagers because like chinat na ho hi decide ham cure hi thelo na ki ka hi like spread ki bozong gang walta na ja chu ki kham na dinga chu awareness teenage ho ko ma bol dinga ti chu answer kana bole
adi itsanen na sai hoi maman ai le top 10 answer na pi cha cha ya chu top 5 lut dinga na ki gin cha nam
ka ki gin cha thau chu ka ha gyo na ka ki go hi zen na ki ka ki go na dung zia chu top 5 lut dinga chu ka ki go ya bula ka na
ke pau me NENGHOICHONG she said after giving top 10 answer, did you ever expect to enter in top 5 finalists? That was the same question to you.
Well, confidence is something you should carry wherever you go. So I feel that I am very confident enough so that like I would be able to go to top 5. I was thinking, but I never thought that I would be crowned. Yeah.
Ale aban hong chui kit welen top 10 na lu cha ya chu top 5 announce hong hitai na top 5 fa chu ipi question na do wa common question na hi yong le na nang in ipiti na don bu nam
question juna why what would you do for Barak festival or like something like that, like Barak festival how would you promote through you being the crown? How would you use your voice there? I say like Barak festival or like festival, any festival bring people together. That's like a lot of people they come together to work. I mean like it's a festival, so and what I wrote was like it bring people together, and since they work together they form like brotherhood, and from there on it can improvise peace and harmony throughout the state, and I would use my voice in that way.
Thank you. Likewise, the same question to ELOZIIA. You have been given a very unique and a very sweet answer in top 10 finalists. So you have after that you have entered to top 5 finalists. What was the question and how did you answer?
Like the question was, if you were crowned Miss Barak that night, how would you use your voice to bring peace and harmony to all the community, to all the people? So what I said was, I would like to tell to all the people that they are not alone, and we will work together. And I would like to encourage the younger youths, especially the youths, so that we could come together as one and work. And last but not least, I say that I want to encourage the weaker section, especially the women, so that they can be able to come out from their comfort zone and use their voice as well.
Thank you so much. Both of you have given that, a very, very unique and good answer, because every festival, neither Barak or Chavangkut, is a state festival.
Yeah.
Because something like in state level Kut also, we, the whole people of Manipur, even Naga, Meitei, Panga, Kuki, we all participate together.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a festival of brotherhood and relationship between different communities. Exactly. Tun break some kind of allow tin. Let's have a short break, and right after that we'll come back and have some sort of conversation. Tun ke holim na no min is on let break some kind of allow tin break. Aki say ting like ke holim na hin ban job ke do hite.
Timekeeper, are you ready? You will be given only 3 minutes. So your time starts now.
Some music, please.
Request the host and the hostess to please give them a warning every 30 seconds.
Sure, we'll do that.
Hello, 1 minute has passed. You still have 2 more minutes. And 30 seconds has passed. You now have only 1 minute left. Minute 30 seconds. You are in the last 30 seconds of your time. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much, ladies. You can stop.
Hello. Just a small reminder to our beautiful contestants and also to all the audiences here. Yeah, please, let's stop writing. All right. You guys, excuse me, contestants. All right, you guys get to read out your own answers. Okay, this is the top 5 and it's gonna be hard, okay? If you even add a single word that has not been written there, the host and the hostess have the right to stop you and you will be asked to start all over again until you get it right, okay? And also a reminder, I hope that you all wrote your contestant numbers down on your paper.
Please write down your contestant number.
Thank you.
Just a number. Okay.
No, I don't think that is appropriate. You have to write down only. Can we begin? Okay, here's the answer. written by contestant number 5. The question is, if you are crowned Miss Barak tonight, how do you carry the message of peace among different sections of people?
I would carry the peace among different sections of people by showing them 2 points, which is, number 1, how much I love and care for them, since loving and caring is the first way to attain peace and harmony among us. Number 2, I should show them that I respect them, since respect is the second best way to attain peace and harmony among us. Thank you.
Contestant number 8, you may stand.
You may please take your seat, contestant number 5.
Okay, for the question, if you are crowned Miss Barak tonight, how do you carry the message of peace among different sections of people? And the answer given by contestant number 8 is,
well, if I am crowned Miss Barak, I would take this opportunity to spread the importance of the Barak festival and use my voice to bring peace and harmony throughout the entire state. As festival bring people of different tribes together and an opportunity to work together, thus it brings them together while working together. So in this way, it would bring peace and harmony throughout the state. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So let's hear the answer written by contestant number 13 now.
Well, the answer to my question is, if I were crowned Miss Barak tonight, the message I would convey to the people would be kindness. As kindness is the universal language which everyone should possess. If we treat people with love and tolerance, we would understand each other. And that would make understand each other. And that would make understand each other and other and have peace and prosperity in the world. Once more, I would like to reread my answer. Okay. If I were crowned Miss Barak tonight, the message I would convey to the people would be kindness, as kindness is a universal language which everyone should possess. If we treat people with love and tolerance, we would understand each other. And that would make understand each other and have peace and prosperity in the world. Thank you.
For contestant number 15, let's listen to what she has written.
So here my answer goes. If I were crowned Miss Barak, once again, if I were crowned Miss Barak, first of all, I would like to start example through my work, like social media, conveying message and helping the organization to save the environment, as well as we have to organize by showing social work. Last but not the least, peace is the beginning to bring the beauty of the world as well as people life. And tonight, I did it. Thank you.
And the last answer we have for the night is from contestant number 12.
Well, good evening once again. Tonight, if I were crowned Miss Barak, I would like to tell people and encourage them to come out of the limited zone and show who really you are with your inner. The second point is encourage the youth to come together and work together as one. The third, to promote love to all the section of people living in the States. I wish to tell people
that we should stay positive and never give up in life, because the moment you give up, it is the moment you lose everything. And the last one is encourage the women of the lower section and the people of the limited zones that they are not alone and we will work together. Thank you.
We request all the contestants to submit your answer sheet to the volunteers. Thank you, 5 finalists. You have come thus far. You have made it. And out of these 5 finalists, only one will be crowned as Miss Barak 2018, and the other 2 will walk away with runners-up. So in the meantime, as the judges are tabulating your marks, you can take your seat at the backstage. Music, please.
You can leave your jackets.
Music. Please come forward a little bit. Okay, this is it. So ladies and gentlemen, there we have it, the 5 finalists. Please give a big round of applause once again for these beautiful ladies. It's a tough competition, isn't it, Paul?
It is indeed.
Okay.
Are you ready?
But in every competition, there is always a winner, and there should be a champion, isn't it? Okay. Well, before we announce the winner of this competition, the winner will be crowned by Miss Manipur, and the first runners-up will be crowned by the
Miss
former,
Marina Niho.
okay, former Miss Nagaland, 2017. And then the second runners-up will also be crowned by Miss Nagaland 2017. So I request both the Miss Manipur and Miss Nagaland to come up here on the stage. Please help them welcome here on the stage. That is for the crowning, and to give away the check, the bundle of money. I call upon our respected Minister, Losidko, NPO President Solomon Aro, and our Deputy Commissioner of Senapati, Mr. Somajit Solam, to come up here on the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome them with a round of applause again. Come on. Okay. The time has come. And I'm sure everyone's excited, especially the contestants. So, without further ado,
moment to Miss Trela Thonazam, who is current Miss Manipur 2017, and the winner of Miss First State Level Miss Barak Queen goes to contestant number 12, the ELOZIIA.
Make some noise, people!
So people, this is your queen, Miss Barak. Giving away the check for the Queen, I request our respected Minister, Honorable Minister ELOZIIA, to give away. Thank you, Miss Trela Thonazam.
And the first prize is an amount of 1,30,000 rupees.
So ladies and gentlemen, here we present you the queens.
Miss Barak 2018.
ministers and the respective dignitaries here on the stage with the Queen. All the photographers, are you ready? Please come forward.
Yahulim na nopta Barak miste nito yahulim na inenewin break ilawin tun break akitain yahulim na aban ong sar ki duite ki pau min ni hoi chong na mel hoi ne kyu kyu hilau na talent kyu kyu hilawin ga het dingin nang hi K-pop festival atong na zawin na sa tu isan gene na kayam adang dang itabanga hi participate na bol kham
K-pop festival hi Korea South Korea ko na hong na so like all throughout the world hi they have like K-pop festival for the fans na chahi talent show perform bolo na sing like song cover ki bola ki upload diso so like India sungayong hi like there's a regional round the preliminary round in the online round diso na so online round bol na dinga hi like region hi 7 regions hambo pot ha sunga hi Manipur jong hi khatna la ha last year about hong thahin na jichu nga chu mi like 4 to 5 states la hi Manipura ko na hi mi li kilheng adanga state danga ko na mi gu hong be na so mi ti chung kilhen la chu regional rounds hong kai online round hong kai zo regional round hong hi pha na chu regional round chan chu ka kai hi chan chu hi a chu zo wa chu K beauty con ki ti ikin ana jichu le it's like promoting Korean beauty products in Manipur cha chu like film star dang ho tamta zo honga chulai muna chu final jan ka kaya final zo chu chulai wang chu competition chu like it's very close, but then like dance to kibol kop za chu dance ho to singing ho cha them zo la cha dance in la chi chunga chu imcha bang kala da hi bang chu participate bang chu kan ha bo tho chu
ke pau man ai le Israel la chu lam hi as a part of hobby an koi thom ai le na lam thai thawam
lam wang hi hobby ti di ta na ke ka talent hi singing zo hi zo ai cho ai bang chu like dance zo chu ka tha nom ji
ke pau man ai le next to ELOZIIA see like as we said, we have a state festival, Tawangkut, or something like you have Barak festival.
Yeah.
So what do you want to express your hearty congratulations to Barak organizer, because they were giving a platform to showcase your inner potential talent, this and that. So you both NENGHOICHONG and you should have to express your happiness or something like your heartfelt congratulations to the Barak organizer or Miss Organizer.
Well, firstly, I want to thank them so much for organizing this. Because of them, like we're here today, and I want to thank God because for giving them a beautiful time. This Barak, it has given us so much of opportunities for not only for this beauty pageants, but for all the communities where they can showcase their not only their talents, but we can say that their dance or their songs, true songs. So I feel that this is the first Barak festival, and they have made it very successful. So I want to wish them congratulations very much.
Thank you. The same goes to NENGHOICHONG. Though you belongs to Kuki Lady, you have been crowned runners-up in Naga Festival Barak. So what do you want to congratulate, or how do you want to express your happiness to the organizer of Barak and that Barak Miss Organizer?
Well, I want to thank them, like the organizers and everyone who are out there to help us, you know, in grooming or like in choreographing. And like it's a really good opportunity to, you know, like get to meet them and get groomed, because you don't get all this in many of the beauty pageants. And we were treated really well. We were given a very good place to stay, unlike other beauty pageants. It's not that I'm saying that the others are bad, but the opportunities they've given us is like on top. So I would like to say I'm really thankful, and I'm very grateful to like the organizers and everyone who's out there who made this festival a successful one.
Thank you. And next, ELOZIIA. You have been crowned Miss Barak. So this is the first state level Barak festival.
Yeah.
So next year they will be organizing again. This year, I mean 2019, the second Barak festival will be organizing again.
Yeah.
So how do you want to promote that the second Barak festival according to your point of view, and what idea or suggestion do you want to give to the organizer in order to promote this Barak festival for the second time again?
This is the first state level Barak festival, and it has given so much of opportunities to many people, and I feel that we should promote this through social medias. This like it's a social era, so I should say that we should promote through social media. Not only the social media, but we also say that there's a saying, action speaks louder than words. So I feel that we should do with action. This Barak, it is a festival where we know about the Barak River, where we can learn so much about the Barak River. It is a high time for us to give back what we have taken from the Barak River. So I want to tell the people that this Barak River, it is a high time for people to connect with the nature as well. And it is not only the social media, but we should create some awareness, like to conserve the Barak as well. And next year they will be holding the Barak festival again. It will be the second state level Barak. So not only in this beauty pageants, but all over the states, people. I wish that people will come and participate.
Thank you. The same goes to NENGHOICHONG. You have been participating in Tawangkut, and you have been crowned runners-up. you see many differences of Savangkut Festival celebration and Barak Festival. So according to your point of view and according to your idea, in order to promote Barak Festival, the second time state level Barak Festival, what idea or suggestion do you want to give to the people and as well as the organizing committee of Barak Festival?
Well, there's not really much I could say because like they have done a lot, and like I believe like it would be a lot better if we promote it through like she said, the social media. And I believe that this festival was meant for the river, and I believe that we should promote the river because it's gonna run dry if we don't take proper care of it. So in order to like take this precautions and like measures to save the river, once we save the river, we could celebrate this festival of nature like every year, every time. So it would be a shame if we don't take care of the river and celebrate and promote. So I think firstly we should take care of the river, and then we could celebrate it on and on, years and years. I think that's it.
So in order to preserve and protect that Barak River, according to your point of view, what do you want to give suggestion for the public?
Well, the river, I believe like not only the people, but I think it should be an awareness to everyone that we should not throw garbage and dump waste materials or like sewage. And I think fishery would help grow the river, and it would be a livelihood for the people of Senapati too.
Ay le kipao men aban hung sarkit len na mi aka din beauty pageant kiti hi mi al hoi may hiding atin aka din IQ sang di he alo la intelligent hi di atin na nang magyal da na hi beauty pageant khada lu ding hi itabang quality na ngai
kay gyal da na bang someone who believes in herself, who's confident enough, and not only confident, but she has to be mentally and physically fit. When you go out there, you have to think that you have to be a winner out there when you go. And I believe like even if you don't win the crown exactly, I feel like if you do your best and present yourself out there in the best way you could, I mean like that's it. That's a winner for me.
Okay, thank you. Next to ELOZIIA.
Yeah.
See, some people they say beauty pageant is quite enough for beauty, and some they said if we have very high IQ or intelligent or physical fitness. So according to you, what quality is needed for beauty pageant?
Yeah, beauty pageants, they should carry both the inner beauty as well as the outer beauty. I feel that way because the inner beauty, it carries lots of we say women, they are epitome of this love and peace. They are the symbol of love and peace. So I feel that the inner beauty which a woman carries, that is the most important thing you should carry in the beauty pageant. Not when I was young, I used to think that this beauty pageant, it's all about the beauty, but when I grow older and when I joined this, I feel that this beauty pageant, it has lots of things to do, and it has given us so much of opportunities to show your hidden talents as well. So I feel that the inner beauty is more important than the outer beauty.
Okay, thank you. Ala NENGHOICHONG aban hung kit len nangin 2017 heta state level 16 zo na ale hichiku ma hi miss ku ni ala ding mo mwan le ki go nam alo le ipita banga ki go na yam alo na chan chunga na lung lei nam na lung lei lo
Kazao he I always join so that I can get the crown, although I don't. But then like it's what I feel about this is gasay dinga chu crown chu muthai dinga ki uma ki muthai lo chichu I ti say diham unfair means ti diham ti jong say di jong ano besen pohibangin ibon ba he chu hinna chikoma chu how unfair it was I wanga chu I accept it because some things happen for the better of the other. Tijuka gel ha
ala ki pao men mabana ahin state level ku hi ipitilam dolin mangol hen akhang to thein ai lo le kina ki bo no hi aum lo thei dem ti nang ma ngai dan na ne ya le
Kegela na bangi festival iman hina a festival iman now very meaning yung do hen lang. Ticho tu ahi chavangkut tile miskut bause igel jinguna ai lole chavangkut tile akham ding loi ki gong masajing chitabang chisanga ko chavangkut like what's the real meaning of chavangkut na ipida ki mangham what's the significant about it ipida ki mangham chi hi gigel do a tingle hoita a chi azi iman now zi hina chizo ai ki manghen lang adang dang extra ho chu hoi iman jong le chun extra hi sa utin na tingle ipi ti sai de ham mi alhading khat zong chul hazing hen lang a hiding khat chu hizing hen lang ai man idei sa ho a hi lo le ai man ipi nom ho pi te bangi inga ole wang phazein te kati ji chu mi za dang ho zong hi bang khang to ta ai ho hiti hi si nei lang nei ki bol bol le I khan to na ti hi ha asase me ta ka gene ken
ki paong men a hi le abani ELOZIIA chong ang chutin a chai na lang zong ong hitai na ELOZIIA. Though you belongs to Naga community, we just invite you for this cookie talk show. How do you feel?
Yeah, I feel very great being here because it's not about the tribes, it's not about the community that matters. It's about the love and peace we share for each other. So I feel that way.
Thank you so much. Ale NENGHOICHONG nangin Barak festival la nagazaw na hena. Zildo tay chu tam ta ne na nete hizong let no contestant fellow kititan te contest na pan khom pizo si to hin na relationship dan hi ipita banga umam
kay wang ga saying in kakamzong tam mintin I get friendly and I got along with everyone na so I even got a title for Miss Congeniality because I get along with people very well. I should say I'm a very people person. So I feel like everyone was kind and good enough to me. I don't know if it was because of the competition, but like everyone was very good to me.
Okay, the same goes to ELOZIIA. See, for participating in this Miss Barak 2018, every contestant, according to you, how was the relationship among the older contestants?
Well, I've been to previous before, so I feel that this Barak, it has so much difference between that because like I feel that we have so much of relation, we have so much of love for each other, and whenever I meet people, they have so much of unique talents with their own, so that love we share for each other, it was so great. I feel like we are sisters, even though we sit for just 2-3 days together, but it was more like a sisterhood.
Thank you so much. Coming to the conclusion part of our talk show, see, during Barak Festival, for your contestant preparation, physically or mentally, many people, they might support you, including your mom and your family side or your friend circle. This is a last question or something like, what do you want to express whoever supports you for this Barak, Miss Barak?
Firstly, I want to thank God for everything He has done to me, and secondly, I want to give credit to my best friend. She has been there from the very first start to that last night, and she's been there all the way. I want to thank her so much. I cannot give her anything, but I pray that she will do good in the future. And I want to thank my mom and dad for supporting me so much. They have been praying for me from the very first day, like for everything. They have supported me so much, and I want to thank my friends, the organizer as well. It's because of them that we're here today. The organizer, they have done so much for us. They have done everything for us, like from that very morning to that night. They have taken care of us, and to all my friends who have been there to support me on that very night as well. And there's so much of people who have been supporting us. And I want to thank my friends, to all the participants as well. They have the love we share for us. It was so good. I feel that like we support each other. From there, I build so much of confidence out there.
Thank you so much for the last. On behalf of Istv Kuki program, we wish you a very, very bright future, a very, very bright career, or a good health in future. Thank you so much for joining with us here.
Thank you.
At sa ina penin ning hoi chong nan dong katin Barak Festival hi organizer in agun lawale no jong chlai mona hit no thai lo di hin na Barak Festival organizer hoi hin I lo let Miss Barak organizer ho lo si chunga hin sa pawin na ji che paw se de het de ke pa thu hin sein lang festival khat hin community akhan poi ti na to hin ke pa thu hin sein na cha sai na ong hetan.
I would like to thank the organizers who has helped us out from morning till the last day of our festival, and they've taken care of us a lot, and they have done for us a lot. Like they take us out and they take us for photo shoots. It's like a lot of work, but they do it like professionals, and I want to thank them for making this festival happen, and it's quite a successful one, and this has given us a stage in life, and I'm so thankful for that. Thank you.
Once again, thank you so much for joining here in this Kuki Talk. So thank you once again, both NENGHOICHONG and ELOZIIA. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Miss Barak hinla hung loling lalu ku hoi ta hin ke ku nunga ELOZIIA to chuting le nunga NENGHOICHONG amanin aphat man tam ta hin kai do na hilaya to swa ke holim khom ta yum ji win amani chung avelin ke pa thu sevin tu nila ISTV Kuki program anave ho zo sen ka sa pau hi ka tho thai lo jong tam taw min aji chu i pau hi pun ka sai ma bang ke pat ma sanga mi pau hi i tho jinga le a ke thi min i tho lo ka la sor phatin tang tai da hi tain chi chun ka sei khil ka bol khelo o ma jong le lung se ta nei na ngai dam min lang tu nila ISTV Kuki program anave ho zo sen na bon chawin nila pha